Accidentally deleted a file from Google Drive. Don't worry. In many cases, you can recover deleted files before they're permanently removed. In this guide, I'll show you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. You'll need to access the same account where the deleted file was originally stored. Next, look at the navigation panel on the left side of Google Drive and click Trash. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed. I mean, if you recently deleted a file, there's a good chance you'll find it here. Browse through the items in the trash folder or use the search feature if it's available. Once you locate the file you want to recover, click it to select it. Now right-click the selected file and choose Restore. Google Drive will immediately move the file back to its original location, making it available again in your drive. Finally, return to My Drive or the file's original folder to confirm that the restored file is back where it belongs. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or use the search bar to locate it. And that's how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. As long as the file hasn't been permanently deleted from the trash, restoring it is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.